Hi everyone, welcome to Target Fix channel. Today I am going to discuss Pega in both English and Telugu. Telugu is my mother tongue, so I want to share this with Telugu people also. So don't feel bad. We will complete it as soon as possible. Before going to Pega, let's see the history of Pega. History, yeah. Let's see. Founded in 1983, Pega system develops software for customer relationship management and business process management. Remember these two things, CRM and BPM. For developing these two applications, Pega come into picture. The company has been publicly traded since 1996 as Pega. Okay, and it is invented by Alan Treffler. Okay, this thing is enough right now. Okay, yeah, I think everything is clear. Today we are going to discuss these things towards a Pega. What is Pega? Salaries, opportunities, onshore opportunities, Pega certifications, life of Pega tools, and eligibility. Who are eligible, whether the freshers or IT background people. Okay. Before going to Pega, we need to know that why it come into existence. The before Pega, I mean at present also, some of the companies are using the normal thing only. If anyone want to develop a web application, there are three layers. These are there: front end, back end, database. Front end, which one we see, and the database to store the data. To make the communication between those front end and the database, we are using some back end languages like Java, Python, .NET. I mean, if anyone are going to develop a web application, they must have idea toward these three layers. Okay, to overcome this thing, Pega come into existence. If the Pega developer, they don't have idea towards this front end, back end and database, even though they can create the web application. Pega is a drag and drop tool. If you have a little bit of idea, then you can easily build applications. Okay, let's see whatever the thing that we have discussed. Pega is an automated Java tool, which means the Pega was developed based on Java oops concept. Remember that. Okay, now let's see. Target fix at the rate of Pega is the password. If I'm attaching this PDF in the description. UI technology, backend technology, database layer, the combination of these three, the Pega come into picture. If anyone don't know those three also, they can develop the web application. And I tell the previously, right, we need to remember CRM and BPM is a business process management, which means if we are searching anything towards any of the business or bank, whatever thing that we are seeing, it is the internet application, which is it is publicly available, and the internet applications are also there, which means okay, let's see take the Axis Bank. If you are applying for any loans or credit cards, they take the information from us and they will apply inside their portal, which means for the employees there are some portals. Those portals, I mean applications, are called internal applications. We call it as business process management applications. We can create that type of applications using this Pega tool. And these are some of the key lines. Pega is an automated application development Java tool which uses HTML5, which means from the front end layer it is using HTML5. Need not have knowledge on any of this technology. Application design using HTML5 for drag and drop the controls. Uses automated Java methods for processing, which means in the back end it is using the Java. For database, it is capable of managing all the databases mostly. Okay, like this type of application we can create using the web application. This is the Pega. Okay, let's see. Develops internal applications. What we have discussed, the BPM internal applications. This is one of the example. The main website which is publicly accessible, the internal applications which only accessible by the employees, whether it is a bank, whether it is a software company, whether it is a government. Okay, and these are the features for the Pega. Let's discuss one by one. Deploying internal apps, which means by using Pega we can develop internal applications like the BPM applications, and integrations, which means if one application need to integrate with another application, it is possible using the Pega. Let's see the example. Whenever this is a Citibank and the CIBL, which will provide the the credit score for us. If we consult any of the bank and asking for the credit card, they will check for your civil score, credit score, right? How they will get that much of information from their website, which means someone have integrated the government application CIBIL with their application. So whenever that they are giving your Aadhaar card or PAN card, towards that they are getting the civil credit score, so that the integration is also possible using the Pega. And another one is a data visualization tool, which means analyzing the data is one of the biggest problem. So the developers and a lot of teams are using a lot of visualization tools. In Pega by default they are providing the visualization tool. And the versioning, you know that first they will release one version, after some time they will release another version, after some days they will release another version, which means maintaining of this versioning possible in Pega. Mostly the IT companies are using GitLab, GitHub, like that repositories for versioning control. Into end solution, we can provide solution for each and every layer using the Pega. And the deployment, for deployment, after creating the web application, you can internally deploy that application using the Pega software, which means there is no need of other tools while we are developing these BPM applications internally. Okay, and data visualization, like this of visualization you can create easily. If you want to analyze using the data, it is very hard at present. After seeing this visualization, you can easily understand that the blue will represent the sleep, which means how much percent, steps 8,000, and water level is 64%, maybe something like that. You can easily visualize using the Pega software. And let's compare towards natural process and the Pega. Let's say if a web application was developing normally using front layer, back layer, as well as the database layer, this much of people are needed: two front end, two Java developers, one database, and one Tableau for monitoring. Which means seven developers are needed. For Pega, just only one developer was needed, which means here the manpower was saving as well as the time also. If the manual process taking 1 year or 2 years of time, in Pega it will take 2 to 3 months of creating the same application. So most of the companies are using Pega, I think, but I'm also not well about how the companies are using mostly, but there are a lot of opportunities for Pega softwares. And the salaries has to discuss. If you are working for any of the US clients or UK clients, they will pay a dollar in dollars only. So if you have much experience towards a Pega, you are that much of capable. If you find some opportunity at the client, then they will pay $80 per hour, which means per day. If you work for 8 hours, almost all in Indian currency it is 44,000. That much of stuff you want. If you are working towards the MNCs, they will pay like the salaries only. It is only when you connect with the client itself. And very demand in market for next 15 years. If you are learning at present, you must see that after 10 years there is a future for this or not. Maybe for 10 years there is no problem with this tool. If they are developing some other tools, you need to learn that also. If you are only learning this, maybe after some time you will face some problems if they are not using Pega. So try to improve your knowledge also. If there is any tool coming into the market like this BPM tools, and these are all the competitors for the Pega: upon Oracle BPM Suite, TABCO, Process Maker, Kissflow, and Bonita BPM. Let's see, these tools are not automated. We have discussed light visualization, deployment, integration, which means in a Pega was automated 90 to 100% mostly. If you are using these competitors, you need to know the front end languages, back end languages, as well as DB at some point of view. Okay, which means the at present the Pega is the one which is at the top. And the certifications, if you're looking for the certification, there are a lot of certifications, but mostly we will see these type of certifications: Pega CSA, which is the basic; Pega CSSA, which is somewhat more towards that CSA; and the LSA is the higher one. If you have 1 or 2 years of experience, you can go with Pega CSA. It is enough while you are applying for the job with 1 to 2 year of experience. Okay, let's see the cost of that Pega CSA, which is around $175 in Indian currency. Mostly it is 13 to 14,000, I think. Yeah, if you like this video, please subscribe and like. Why? Because let's see, I will show my channel and my videos. I'm uploading a lot of the stuff. There are a lot of views, 3K views, 18, 20, 97, 11K, 11,000, 3.3, 3,000, 11,000, 36,000, 16,000 of views. But towards my channel, the subscriber count is just only 319, which means I don't know that whether the videos are helpful for you or not. If you feel the videos are helpful, just like and subscribe to my channel, and you get a lot of updates. And also maybe I will continue the series towards the Pega. You will get notification. Yeah, thank you so much for your valuable time. Have a great day. Maybe I have explained totally in the English only. That's fine. Yeah, thank you so much. Bye.